Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, which you probably are because I have 25 subscribers, my name is Kaylee, so thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a full apartment tour. I'm going to be showing you my bedroom, my kitchen, my living room, my bathroom. It's no mansion, but I love watching other people's apartment tours and I love interior design, so I hope you like it. Let's go. The first weird part about my apartment is that you come through the front door into the bedroom. So this is my bedroom. I've already posted a bedroom tour video, which I'll link below. It was my first video, so it's kind of awkward. But this is my bedroom. Starts with this clothing rack. My best friend got me this Drinks Well with Others wine carrier, but it's like perfect for bringing like 2 outfits and like, I don't know, like your straightener in a different pocket. It's really awesome. I really love it. Got some of my cool clothes that are like nice colors and textures over here. I love having this clothing rack. It makes me feel like I'm in like a studio. This is my windowsill. We keep our Apple Watches here and my room sprays. Both of them are from HomeGoods, I believe. We keep our keys right here for our cars. We got a necklace hanging right here. I have my cute hat. I love this hat. So cute. Oh, no, I can't get it back up. Oh, got it. Next we have my side table. These are the 2 most recent books that I am reading and have been reading. Have my bed that I got from IKEA. The whole bed plus like the mid-beam and the underwood thing was like $100 total. So that's awesome. It's super cute and like minimal. This is the bed frame. This rug, we think it's from Target. We've had it for like years, since our first apartment. The comforter and 2 blue velvet pillows are from Marshall's, and the white fluffy pillow and blanket are from Target, and so is the body pillow. The lights I think are also from HomeGoods, and these feathers are also from HomeGoods. I love HomeGoods. So after the bed, we get to the dresser. It's 2:07 p.m. This is me. This triangle mirror, I love it. I got it for Christmas. It's from Urban Outfitters. This is from HomeGoods. Just has like elastics, lip gloss, like random studs and jewelry in it. I have all my like oils, nail polish, eye cream, some glitter. You know, you always have to have your glitters. This metal basket I think I got for $3 at Target. I love it. It's like rose gold. It's so cute. I put my clutch I got from Urban Outfitters for Christmas. And this is just where I keep all of my bralettes. They look cute in this basket. I have this winter hat here. It's like super oversized from Target. It's literally like so huge. Like it's massive, but it's cute. So like look at the size of that palm. That is huge. So from here, I just love this little corner. I think it's so cute. Jason and I split this dresser. So I get the 2 middle drawers and he gets the bottom and top one. I don't know how we decided on that pattern, but we did. This is where we keep all of our coats and like sweatshirts and everything. This is my DIY wall hang that I have on the blog. I think it's so cute. I love it. This is my ottoman that my grandparents made for me. This is my mirror. I love this mirror. It's huge. This is the whole little area. Let me show you the whole section. I love this little spot. The mirror, I have no idea where it's from. I've had it for years. It was my parents and I like begged to take it back to my apartment. So we did. I have this stool that I use as like a side table, but we have our iHome on it. It's glowing in aura right now. It's like a daytime suggested glow. And then I have my jewelry holders that I also made, which are also on the blog. I made them out of sticks, and I think they're so cute. I love what they add to the room. They were free, and they're efficient. They remind me of Urban Outfitters. Love them. This is my closet. So then we're back at the door. Next I'm gonna bring you to my living room. So when you walk into my living room, it's kind of like a little stage from the bedroom, which I think is super cute. We are living in the attic of this like apartment building. So this is my DIY wall hang that I made for the living room. This clock is on the floor as a joke at first, but I kind of like it, so I kept it. This is our moon chair. I just like took a white blanket and cut it up and then hot glued it back together to make a cute shape so I can drape it over this because it was kind of plain and like ugly. This is our bookshelf with all of our books. This couch is from Jason's parents, and so is this one. They got new couches, so we got their old ones, which was great. Our TV stand has this little like basket to hold all of our random loose wires, which for some reason we have so many of. I have these cute little like geodes that were from Home Goods. This little Buddha was from Home Goods. Xbox games in this little basket that was from, I think it was only like $1 at Target. I love these baskets. I have them everywhere. So TV, got our yoga mats and our foam roller. We got one more wall hang, which I think is the best one. I love all the grays. I love gray. This coffee table was from IKEA. It was only $50, and as you can see, it's massive and it's white. I love it. This little side table that we keep our laptops on was originally black. I think it was from Walmart, and I painted it white. I also painted the TV stand white. It was originally black too. The tapestry is from Urban Outfitters. I've had it for like 3 or 4 years, but I think they still might sell it. I love it. And then we have our little dining room for 2. I think it's like a cute little area. The rug is from TJ Maxx. This table came from someone. I am not sure who gave us this table set, but it's awesome because it can be a full circle, but it also can hang down. We got our little Polaroids. Got my disco ball for $3 at Christmas Tree Factory. They have our little beer bottle thing that says beer makes everything better that I got from Target. We have our plant. I really want more plants, but Jason takes care of the plants, so I can't really like ask for more because he's gonna have to take care of it in the end. So hopefully he wants more plants. This is our coffee maker we got for Christmas. It's a Ninja coffee maker, and we used to have a Keurig, and I thought it was way better to just have one cup that I could easily brew, but like having a full pot is like amazing. I know they've had pots for years, but like it's amazing to have a pot. I've definitely had way too much coffee though. Those are our shoppers that we take with us when we go grocery shopping. You should too. Never have to take more than 1 trip from the car, and it saves so many plastic bags. Make the switch. Do it for you and the environment. This is my kitchen, the full kitchen. So I'll start with this rack first. We got this from Target, probably like 3 or 4 years ago. It was in our first apartment. I think it was only like $50, but I really love it. We put like our dish holder thing, like dish dryer. We have this like potatoes, bananas, some coffee, like random things. We have our knives. This is all of our spices, and then this has a bunch of tea in it. I'm not gonna open it. And then this is my phone. How cute is that case? I love. This is our toaster. We have a rose gold paper towel holder, which I love. We have some festive soap. This hand scrub that my BFF Jen made me. It's coconut flavored. It's great. Our sponges. We have some of this delicious popcorn from Christmas, which I've eaten way too much of. It's where we keep some bowls, our microwave. We have these cute like Moscow Mule mugs. These Chip and Joanna bowls, which I'm obsessed with. I love that they're like not a perfect circle. They're perfect for Buddha bowls. We have these glasses, which I also love. I love the color of them. They look like Coca-Cola glasses. And then we have these little bowls, which I love. This is our stove. It's so old it doesn't even have a timer on it. hot chocolate kit things. I bought this for my little sister for Christmas, and then one day me and Jason were like really craving sweets, and this was all we had, so we took it out of Evie's gift. And then we had to buy her something else. We replaced it, but this was supposed to be for Evie. This is our little table that we found outside of our apartment. They were like throwing it away, and we had been wanting a table that went from here to here so that we could like cook with it, because we have like almost no counter space, as you can see. So we took it in and it was perfect, and now we're able to store like all of our things. You can't afford marble countertops, you just get marble utensil holder, cutting board. One day I'll have marble countertops. One day. These little paintings are from Ecuador. Really cool. Thought it really went well with our kitchen theme. This coffee maker is also from Ecuador. You just like put coffee in and then pour the hot water, and it just drips into your cup, which is super cool. We have a French press. Got some red wine. No. So yeah, that's our whole kitchen. Tried to make it like as colorful and like quirky, I guess, as possible, since it's like clearly not the most visually pleasing kitchen. We're back in the living room. This is my mermaid blanket. Let me show you this. It's super hard with one hand. Look how cute it is. Wow, I'm really struggling. Look how cute it is. I asked for this for like 3 Christmases in a row, and I got one last Christmas, and I really do use it all the time. This is my other marble dish from TJ Maxx. I think I got on clearance for like $10, and I got these stone coasters as well. So from the living room, we do have another entrance, which we've been using since winter, but you have to like unlock the front door and then unlock this door, so it's like not as convenient, but this is the other entrance. And then we go back into the bedroom. I'm gonna show you the bathroom, and then we are done. So this is the bathroom. I love these 3 windows. They're very pretty. This is where I keep all my makeup brushes, my little mirror. I have like eyeliners and everything, my palettes, some cucumber water, all the goods, all the cute stuff. This is my shower curtain. This is our mirror, our sink. We got some of this delicious hand soap. It's lavender and, what is it, lavender and thyme or thyme? Lavender and thyme, I think. I don't know. So we have this chalkboard. It's just to like remind me about taking my Soleil, my biotin, activated charcoal, and Jason's been doing the activated charcoal, and he's probably going to do the Soleil too, so that should be a good reminder for both of us. I have this cute soap, Always Be a Unicorn. Let's see if it focuses. It's sparkly. It's like gold sparkles. It's so cute. I'll probably never use the soap because the packaging is too pretty. I have this laundry basket. It's from IKEA. We have this little rack. I have no idea where it's from. I have this basket that I got from Michael's. I just have like, this is where all my like everyday makeup is, my brushes, skincare, biotin, deodorant. We have this little thing for our toilet paper. We have, this is where like lotion is, like my face mask. I have deodorant, just like random things. Have this. That's the charcoal we're using, which I'm going to be definitely doing a review on the blog for that. I have my curling iron and straightener, toilet, and then yeah, we're good. That is my apartment. Hope you guys like it. I hope I didn't forget any important details. This is my kale shirt. It's winter time, I know, but I walk around in shorts because it's the most comfortable. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. I only have 25 subscribers, so literally anything helps. Let me know if you like the video. See you next Friday for the next video. Bye!